1.7 million in transaction hijacking. Are you kidding me? Hello, my name is Marc Drouinaud Jr. and if you're new here, I do cyber related videos. Please feel free to relax and enjoy the content. This story deals with cryptocurrency. I'm in tech stocks. I want to know what's going on. We're going dark. This is courtesy of Cyware. So threat researchers have found a large-scale operation of Clipminer, which is a new cryptocurrency mining virus that brought its operators at least 1.7 million in transaction hijacking. Are you kidding me? And remember, a virus is a type of malicious software or malware that spreads between computers and causes damage to data and software. And remember, computer viruses aim to disrupt systems, cause major operational issues, and result in data loss and leakage. So now what is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin mining is the process of creating new Bitcoins by solving extremely complicated math problems that verify transactions in the currency. When a Bitcoin is successfully mined, the miner receives a predetermined amount of Bitcoin. What's happening? Clipminer is based on the crypto Cybele malware, according to researchers at Symantec. And remember, malware is software that is specifically designed to disrupt, damage, or gain unauthorized access to a computer's systems. So both Trojans are designed to steal Bitcoin wallets, hijack transactions, and mine cryptocurrency on affected computers. Symantec discovered 4,375 Bitcoin wallet addresses thought to have received stolen funds while investigating this new operation. Security experts have termed this new Trojan Clipminer after mapping its activity, which has grown in size since it was discovered. So how does Clipminer work? Clipminer arrives as a WinRAR archive on the host system. Its goal is to profile the host and use the Tor network to download and install the Clipminer payload. Upon execution, the malware produces scheduled activities for persistence and also creates an empty registry key, likely as an infection marker to prevent reinfecting the same host. The payload then monitors all keyboard and mouse actions. It also looks for analysis programs that are operating in the background. Clipminer starts an XMRIG Monero miner configured to utilize all available CPU threads when there is no activity on the host side. Simultaneously, the virus watches the clipboard for copied Bitcoin addresses and replaces them with those belonging to the attacker on the fly, redirecting funds. So let's get to the bottom line here. How to stay safe. According to Symantec, the first Clipminer samples began circulating in January 2021. The malware is known to leverage P2P networks, torrent indexers, YouTube videos, as well as pirate games and software cracks. To avoid becoming infected with malware such as Clipminer, avoid downloading software from unknown sources. Also, verify the supplied cryptocurrency wallet address before initiating the transaction to protect yourself against clipboard hijackers. That's the news. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button right below the video and subscribe by clicking the big red button right below the video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, then you'll probably enjoy these videos that's on the screen right now. So if you click on the screen right now, you can watch those. Do you have a cybersecurity story you want me to cover? Write it in the comment section below. Also, click the notification bell next to the subscribe button to get notifications when I upload new videos. Lastly, please feel free to watch other videos on this channel. You don't know how to subscribe? I'm looking at you. I have a suit on. Come on, I have a suit. I'm smiling at you. My background is white with my suit on. Click on my body. Click on my face. Stay safe, HackPack. Please feel free to watch, like, and comment other videos on this channel. Subscribe now.